welcome to my second YouTube video. So today we're going to mix it up a little bit. I'm here with Selena from Selena Knits. She's just doing her makeup. We're going to do a content day today. So as you can see, we've got some beautiful pieces behind. We're going to be shooting some content and showing you the items as well. But first, let me get my makeup on because this is not happening. Okay guys, makeup is done. So now we are going to start getting changed. Selena has some pieces with us as well. Now they're the same outfits. They're gorgeous. I mean, I love the feather detail. So we're both going to try them on and we're going to style them and we're going to start shooting some content. Hi guys, okay, I'm finally in the first outfit and I'm wearing the beautiful Amelia dress. Now it has the detachable sleeves, you have the detachable top and the skirt separate as well. It's part of Selena's party collection, so definitely check it out. So because we're going to take some content behind, we've got the drape behind there, it looks absolutely gorgeous. We're going to pair the earrings and I've got some nude heels to match as well. So yeah, that's the first outfit and the first look.
Hi guys, I'm Selena. I'm wearing the same outfit as Amy. This is the orange phoenix dress, and I'll be pairing it with these gold hoops and these gold heels.
Woo! Hi guys, so we are now on our third outfit. We have spent all day shooting the first one. We're just smashing through the rest of the outfits. So this is also part of Selena Knits collection. We're actually going to have a tea break because that is the best thing to do when you're spending all day shooting. And then we're going to get back to it. So I'll do a little bit behind the scenes of us. We've created this whole set. It's literally a bedsheet that we've managed to hang up. So you don't have to go and spend loads of money on like a place to shoot, like a studio or anything. You can literally create it in your room, and that's what we've done. So I feel like this is super professional. So yeah, we're gonna have a tea break and then we're gonna get back to it. So see you in a sec. Okay guys, so we've got our cuppa now, so it's time to chill for a little bit before we crack on. So I just wanted to give you a couple of tips why I enjoy my peppermint tea. A couple of tips that I like to do for content days, especially like a day like today where we've just got heaps and heaps of clothes. I'll show you the pile in a second because it's a mountain. So a couple of tips that I like to do is when we are going to record TikToks and Reels, what I like to do is find if there's a particular audio that I have on TikTok that I want to do a TikTok with, I will then before shooting find that audio on Reels as well, instead of uploading it with that sound, because if it is a copyright breach then you don't want them to take it down or hide them in the algorithm. So it's good to just kind of have it ready before you upload it. I use a website called Snaptic or something. I'll put the link in my description. So if you do upload a video on TikTok, you can just literally copy the URL and then it will just download it as like a normal video, so it won't have the watermark there as well. And that's just like a really handy tip if you want to then upload the video onto Reels as well. And then yeah, Selena's come back. And then the other thing I like to do is if I do know that we're shooting loads of Reels and TikToks as well, I like to save the TikToks in its own separate folder on TikTok. So I literally have a folder called TikTok ideas, and then on Reels I have Reels ideas as well, so that when you do have a day like today, you can just like straight away go on there and just say, okay, let's recreate that, and just go straight from that audio or that template and then just do it. So that's a couple of my tips for you. We're going to finish off our cup of tea and then we'll crack on and I'll show you the outfit properly. See you in a sec. Okay guys, so we have finished filming this outfit. I just wanted to give you a couple of tips because in the last little snippet that we just did, you would have seen that I was using an app to take the photos. So that app is called Lens Buddy, and it is literally your saving grace. If you're by yourself getting the content, it takes up to about 50 images, and you can change the length of each gap of the image as well. So if you want 5 seconds to just like change your pose, you can do that with that app as well. And honestly, the images come out as if you were taking it on your camera roll. Like, it comes out amazingly clear. So yeah, if you are shooting content by yourself, definitely get that app. A couple of other things that I would suggest getting if you're getting your own content, definitely get a tripod. That will literally change your life, and a ring light as well. With the tripod, I mean, me and Selena, we were trying to get some images with both of us with the dresses because they match, and it was just our saving grace that we don't have to like lean it or on anything, and we can get the right especially when you're getting a TikTok and it's like a change in outfits that you want it to be in the same position, you can just like mark the floor, and then at least like it will be the same frame when you go to film the next scene. So a nice little tip for you. So it is 12:30. It is very, very late. We're going to go to bed now. But I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the content day, creation, whatever this has been, because it's been more of a content evening than a content day. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. And if you have liked the video, please like, comment and subscribe. And as I said, I will always sign off the videos as never let anyone dim your light. Keep shining, darlings. Take care.